YouTube? It's your boy Shines TV. You feel we back at it again with another video for y'all boys. You feel me? We back in the big cat. You already know how we coming. I don't know why I just turned my turn signal on. So in today's video, you feel me? We got a little POV for y'all. So this ain't no normal POV. So we driving, and y'all might be like, why are you driving in these type of weather conditions? So basically it is a hurricane going on right now, and we getting like some of the rain and a lot of wind from it. I guess that's why these people cutting down all these trees and stuff. But you feel we gonna keep the content rolling. The hurricane ain't finna stop us. Stop me from giving y'all this raw content. You feel me? So we leaving the neighborhood right now, so we can go ahead and get on this road and we can give y'all some of this driving footage. I do not have no gas in here. Well, we probably got enough for the video, so we just gonna keep it coming just like that. I know y'all hear them pops and these brakes. And again, I do not know why they be squeaking, because I got plenty of pad left. I know I need to cut traction off. You feel me? We always drive with traction control off. The neighborhood daredevil. Had to get sideways for the one time. It would be traffic. These folks supposed to be in the house. Y'all supposed to be in the house. Only Hellcats are allowed out when there's a hurricane going on. And if y'all don't mind, please like, comment, and subscribe for your boy, so we can go ahead and hit that 2,000 subscriber mark by the end of, I want to say the end of October. We need to be at 2,000 subs by the end of October. You feel me? I'm gonna make me a little left right here. Y'all don't gotta pull over, boy. I know what I'm doing in that thing. Don't play with my driving skills like that. I'm your neighborhood corner bender. We don't get up, we don't care about it being wet either. To slow down right here, most definitely, because the road got too many knots in it. Everybody on the porch looking over here. Y'all know what this is. Did that motherfucking cat. Had to upgrade from them scat packs to them cats. Why they driving so slow? Bro, what are they doing? They driving extremely slow. This is not finna work. Oh, it's a school zone. You feel me? We gotta calm down the kids over here. Kids love that motherfucking car. Oh God. And let me stop for y'all. Be like, oh my God, you're putting the car's life at risk. I'm not even going too crazy. I ain't doing that. Out of hand. I'm trying to figure out where I want to go next. We'll make a right. Ain't no car coming. Actually, I'm gonna make a right. Cause I don't feel like goddamn going on that road up there. What the hell was that? I thought the military were after my ass. Y'all heard that siren? I got scared as hell. How y'all like that turn that we just did? It probably didn't even look right on camera. It was a little hill, I had to lean up. I need to change up my POV routes. Because I drove on this road probably like 3 times in a couple of my POV videos. I know why there's a lot of traffic now after school. Alright, we can go ahead and go around this bus. really like one of the colder days, I can definitely notice a difference. It's like the car feel like it got a little extra power because it's sucking in all that cold air. This where the cold air intake shine during the colder times of the year. The cold air give you more oxygen, including the Hellcat supercharger. You need a lot of oxygen. What the hell was that? This wind is out of hand. I'm talking about the wind has been blowing hard all day. Oh my goodness, this baby pulling. Yes, sir. We don't crash whips around here. Y'all know Alabama got the best drivers. Ain't no other state messing with us. That's big facts. Say nah. Y'all know y'all gonna be coming to me in the comments. On God, Atlanta got the best drivers. Nah, y'all ain't coming like us. We real steppers when it comes to this car shit. Who blowing their horn? I hope I ain't been patting my head too much. Y'all, if y'all got dreads, y'all will know exactly why I'm patting my head. When you get your hair retwisted, and after a couple of days or so, oh my God, your scalp be on fire from, I guess, the oil, the grease or whatever they use to retwist your hair. That's gonna have your scalp on fire, like it be itching terribly. Coming through. I hope they trying to go toward the school, cause people always miss that turn. They be thinking it's a whole 2-lane road. Well, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up. You feel me? Just give y'all a little video because it's really supposed to be raining. It's really supposed to be raining for like a whole week straight, and I'm trying to get out whatever content that I can for y'all to keep y'all boys entertained. once it do dry up and get back sunny outside, we is gonna have some good footage. A lot of my partners finna link up. You feel me? We finna be cutting up. We finna be cutting up in traffic. You feel me? 5 deep. And you feel me? Some Mustangs, you know, some Chargers, some Challengers, you know, all the fun cars. You feel me? But just keep in touch with your boy. Like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Hit that push notification bell so y'all know whenever I drop more videos. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.